ಪಿತ್ತಿನ ಪೆನರಿಣ ಸಂದಾವೆರೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿನೂರುದ ಪಿತ್ತಿನ ಪೆನರಿಣ ಸಂದಾವೆರೇ ಆಟ ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಊಟ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಜೀವಿನಿ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಆಟ ಕಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಊಟ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಸೇವಿನಿ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಪೆ ಸೇವಿನಿ ಮಲ್ಪಿದೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ತುಳುಕೂಟ ಓದಿ ತಿಂಡೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ತುಳುಕೂಟ ಓದಿ ತಿಂಡೆ ಅಖಿಲ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟಂದೆ ಅಖಿಲ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟಂದೆ ಅಖಿಲ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ತುಳುವರೆ ಅಂಗಳ ಏಬಲ ಸೇರುನ ತುಳುವರೆ ಪ್ರಾಂಗಳ ಏಬಲ ಸೇರುನ ತುಳುವರೆ ಪ್ರಾಂಗಳ ಅಖಿಲ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ತುಳುವರೆ ಅಂಗಳ ಏಬಲ ಸೇರುನ ತುಳುವರೆ ಪ್ರಾಂಗಣ ಒಂದು ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟ ಒಂದು ತುಳುವರೆ ಆಟ ಒಂದು ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟ ಒಂದು ತುಳುವರೆ ಆಟ ಒಂದು ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟ ಒಂದು ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟ ಒಂದು ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟ ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟ ತುಳುವರೆ ಕೂಟ.
ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ 4 ಗಂಟೆ. Yeah.
Siri,
Is there a time difference
is
now?
my homework ಬರೋಂದಿಜ್ಜತ
ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯ್ತು
ಮರ್ತು ಬೇಡ
ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ
ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ
Okay. ಓಕೆ, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದೆಲ್ಲದ ಕಷ್ಟ ಉಂಡೆ? Do you have any problem in homework? ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಅನ್ಸಿಕಾಗುಂಡೆ? ಬಾರಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲರು ಜನ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂಜಿ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಪಡ್ದು ಬಿಡ್ಕನ ಅಂದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಪಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಶಿವಳ್ಳಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಪೋಪುನೈನ್
ಅಂದ್
ಶಾಂತರಮಣ್ಣಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅಕ್ಲೆ ಪರ ಪನ್ಕ. ಸೊ let them do some formal, not formal, but some kind of, I don't know, Sam, how we can talk like about, oh, you're leaving now, right? Okay, so
yeah, no,
do you have your
Sam, and he already connected with Sam also, so I'm going to let him know that Sam is going to India, and
so
yes, we will let ILSA group as well as Tulu Academy that you are going to India, so they will call you. And okay, Sam?
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
How long you are there, and like what's your schedule kind of? It's at
Radha Tingole.
oh,
You are there for
Radhatingulu.
2
That will be
months.
great.
Oh, you will be having glass
Okay.
there. But
Okay.
Okay.
is there any work or you are
Will
going for tourism purpose?
Friends,
Okay.
Tikwe.
sticker, friends
Sure.
sticker.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Olupura povandullar. What all the places you are going?
Bengaluru, Mangaluru.
Sure.
Okay. Good. Okay.
Those are that's my mom and dad's hometowns.
Oh, sir. Wow. Okay. I think we'll start now, Ate. So I think
Yes. We'll start. Then let them join
We'll
slowly.
start. I think. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think people will join. Let's see. It's already 4 o'clock.
ಸ್ಯಾಮ್ ಊರುಡುಲ್ಲರ ರಡ್ಡು ತಿಂಗಳು ಇರೆ ಪಿರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಲಾಯ್ಕ್ ತುಳು ಬರ್ಪುಂಡಿರಿ ಅಲ್ಪ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಪಾತೆರ್ ಉಡ್ಚಿ ಖಾಲಿ ತುಳುವೆ ಪಾತೆರ್ಲಿ.
Okay. Only Tulu.
Yeah,
I'll
only
speak
Tulu.
I'll try.
Okay. Tulu
Yes,
in Mangalore. Okay. Okay. Irregular internet. Just some people joined now. Itte kelavu join ayaru anchadu. If you had any problem, any questions from the last class, previous class, please let us know. Niklegu dumbuda itrodta aina paatolledu dala kasta ittenda banga ittenda enkle panli.
Atharu asked what is left and right. Eda is left, Bala is right. Right?
And
Eda and Bala. I think Atharu asked the question.
oh, so okay. Why didn't you? Okay. Yeah, I think there's a lot of things to cover, but we are trying to cover only basic things. Include basic ಬೋರ್ಡಾಯ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಲ್ಪ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದರಿಂದ ಲೈಕ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪುರ್ತು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು
ಅಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ರೆಡ್ನೆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಲಬಲ್ಲೆ ಅಪ್ಪಗ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗ್ ಒಂಚೂರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಪು
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ
ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್.
ಓಕೆ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಉಂಡತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಮೈ ಶೇರ್?
Yeah. You don't see your screen, but we can see you and your voice.
Oh, ಅಂದ್ರೆ
can be heard. Yes.
Okay. Okay, then it's not shared. Okay, let me share.
And I have one announcement during a quick announcement that we are celebrating Bisuparba, and
Yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. If anyone interested to participate, we will guide you. What if any ideas? If you have, we will guide you. And if anyone has any interest, anything you can do, singing, storytelling, but it should be in Tulu. Okay. Yeah. Even one line is also okay. Yeah.
Yeah, Shreevalli,
possible.
Okay. Shreevalli, one thing we can do is we can make them to sing a song for one line each. We had
I got that song from what is his name? Prashant Anna.
Yeah, did not be that,
but
no, anything we can do that. They can sing one line and record video and send, then we can stitch it and put it as one of the presentation from there.
And anything, if they have their own idea, we can
can you namana flyer share malpale mul charted
okay, one minute. Chatted.
I think almost everybody is there in our Martell group.
Yeah. Yeah, if you have any ideas or if you can do anything, just give your name, then we will decide later. Okay, if you want to participate, let us know.
Okay, let us start the class then. Okay, so today is the 7th class and we have 2 more class and Nana Raddu Patalulla. 2 more classes are remaining. Nana Raddu Patalu Urida. So in that one, we will have a conversation in the grocery store, school, those kind of things. And one more, we have our final presentation. Okay, I'll go over that. Okay. Okay, this usual stuff, our link and all. So all the links are available, and it's there in the WhatsApp group also. Now, WhatsApp group ulla e kondilu ulla. Okay, inita subject conversation at home, family relationship events in Japara. Aita ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಏತ್ ಆಪಣತ್ತು minimum ಏತ್ ಆಪ್ ಮಲ್ಪರಾಪಣ ಆತ್ಮಲ್. Okay, so ನನ್ನ ರಡ್ ಪಾಟುಲು ಊರಿದ ಯಾನ್ ಪಂಡೆ ತಂಚನೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಗ್ರೋಸರಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇಂಚ ಪಾತನ ಐತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಕ್ಕೊಂಜಿ ನಿಕಲ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಎಂಕಲ್ನ ಕೂಟ. This is our team. So they're all working hard to give you all information you required. Okay, niklik bodaina mata kalpuna vishayalenu akulteripa ondale sahaya ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so just wanted to tell, because this we are almost at the end of the planned class. There are 2 more classes and Panditanchan. So I told there are 2 more classes remaining. So as part of this class, this were parents, maybe parents and kids. Yeah, parents joke leg. Kids, please, if your parents are not here, just let them know. And if parents are there, just listen. This is one activity you want to do as part of completion of this class or this course. So, e part of the mugitalagu jokulu enchina kalteru aveni akla baayid panpavana onji prayatnankulu maltondilla. So we want to have an attempt to present what the kids have learned so far. So I could some guidelines here mool undu. Barpi class at bokkonji class nannala 15 dinam undu. Like you have to present something in Tulu language around 200 to 300 words, like 1 or 2 minutes. Already you are doing your homework for around 2 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes. So it's maybe around that or more than that. Okay, so it can be up 2 to 3 small paragraphs. Raddu muji ellelia baravul tandau. At the curve, choose any topic or subject that you are interested. Nikleg ista aina ove vishayadamittu nikulu paatheroli. You can talk in any topic that you like. Okay, and you need to record this and submit. Undena nikulu video record maltadu and click korodu. Also present in the class. So nanonji activity panda nikulu nenu nikula last the class undena nikulu panodu nikulu enchina nikulu video record maltandularte avenu class lu panodu maatarla kenva. Okay, but this is not a test. This is just this is not a test. Undu nikulu pariksha irthu. We want to know how much you learned. We nikulu yed kaltarundu nikulu theriyanaga. Okay, in this, once you present or nikulu panda nikulu 2 to 3 minutes 1 to 2 minutes then we'll ask one question. The question will be very simple question, like irina pudarenchine, what is your name? Irina praya etu, how old are you? Then irna ammana pudarenchina, irna uru vovu, irna shale vovu, those kind of things. Okay, so irregla questions unde netta bagge irregla prashnelu ullani. Do you have any questions about this? Anyway, we will send the message in the group. Okay, so need not do any extra work, but this as a casual process. Instead of we are giving homework, you are like having your own homework. You decide what you want to talk and you are presenting that one. Okay, whatever may, you can talk about your puppy at home, or you can talk about your breakfast, or you can talk about a car drive or a soccer, or your experience in Washington DC, or wherever, or in Udupi, Mangalore, whatever you have, whatever you feel comfortable, you just talk about that for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so parents can help just to get the things, like they can help them, their small kids where they cannot write or read comfortably, then parents can help. Okay,
even they can write their experience in our class.
Yeah, that is also fine. Yeah, you don't need to be a chosen subject. Like, you can write what you like in the class, what you did not like in the class, those
Yes.
kind of things. Okay, ಅಂಚಪುರ ಅವೇ ನಿಖಲ ಬೋಡಿತನ ಒಂಜಿ ವಿಷಯನಿಗೆ ತಂದು ಆಯ್ತು ಮಿಕ್ ಪಾತೆರ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಿನ ಸುರುಕು ಪಾತೆರ್ದು ಅವಿ ನಿಖಲ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಲ್ತಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪಲೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಅವಿನಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲೆ ಬರ ಪನ್ಲೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನೆಕ್ ಆತರ ಎಂಕುಲು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ದ ಹೋಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಲ್ತಂದಿಲ್ಲ. For this assignment purpose, presentation purpose, last week's homework will be short. Okay, so that you can work on this. Kadeta illa bele nikilege onte korpa dapanda nikulna a presentation age tayar malpali. Okay, dala question unde bete. Okay, that's about that. Let's start. And generally we start with the know your history. So today we have a unique and very, very special topic thought of sharing this information. Like, any of you know what is a Daiva Kola, Daivaradhane, Bhutaradhane, or just Kola? Have you seen anything? Yarigal gottunde?
ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಂತಾರ ಮೂವಿ ತೂತೆ.
Awesome. Okay, so then irege onte gottundu. Okay, yeah. So ದೈವಕೋಲ, ದೈವಾರಾಧನೆ or ಭೂತಾರಾಧನೆ ಒಂದು ಬೇತೆ ಬೇತೆ ಪುದರ್ಲು. So this is a culture, a worship that's happening in Tulu Nadu. So
What's the Kantara movie?
yeah, Kantara is a movie based on the worship of Daiva or the Kola. Okay, so you might have seen this. I don't know if you guys seen any of these Daivaradhane or Bhutaradhane or this Kola when you went to your home in Tulu Nadu. Okay, so next time if you go, then try to see one of such whatever Aradhane wherever you go. I think it will there at least some corner of Tulu Nadu, something happening every day in that season, like in October, then October till June. Okay, so these are some pictures of that Aradhana. So there will be worshipping the god. Basically,
Usually, sorry, Bhaskar, usually it happens during March, April. Before, I think after May, I don't know. March.
Yeah. I think May 20th or something like that. That's the last one.
Last one, yes.
That's
right. Because after that rainy season starts, nothing works.
Yeah. Okay, that's about that. Okay, so let's see something about that. Okay, so it's a form of nature or god worshipping seen in specifically Tulu Nadu, and also it's there in some other places in Kerala also it's there some part, and also it is there in the throughout world in one or other form, but not as unique as this. Okay, so basically they worship nature or the local deities, mainly the Tulu speaking population. So it started with like, we don't know how old this is. Maybe this is as old as the human beings existed. Like human beings, they start worshipping the things that they don't know in the nature, like fire, water, rain, those kind of things. So then it systematically it is like a structure, a like procedure developed, and then that is happening right now. Okay, so basically these daivas, they are the powers, they protect the Tulunad. That's the belief there. And generally it is worshipped at night and includes some secret rituals, and there is a form of dance also as part of that. Okay, and yeah, somebody talked about Kantara. So a famous movie Kantara was made based on this Daivaratani. And if you have not seen that, please watch. It's a great movie. Okay. Okay, and in today's class we are already late, so we are going to try. We're going to look at this. What is family? Then family members, relatives, and some of the family events. We'll look at that. Okay. So what is? Let's start. Okay. What is
Bhaskar,
family?
is there any question, Marcelo?
Is there a question? Okay. Oh, there's a chat. What is the question?
Well, my question is that happens before or after Mahashivratri?
After Mahashivratri.
Oh, this happens after Shivaratri.
Yes.
But,
Yes.
yeah. Okay.
And before June, when the rain starts.
Yeah.
Yeah, the monsoon, before monsoon starts. Okay. What is family? The broad definition is a family is a group of people who are related by birth, marriage, or adoption, and they live together in a home. Okay, that's all our family. Okay, so we'll see what are the family members and how they are called in Tulu. Okay, so okay, you all know. So there will be a head to the family, and all the things what I'm going to talk here is centered around mother and father, because the relationship can be anywhere to anywhere. So we'll start with this, and then we'll try to link other family members. Okay. Itte suruku nama illada mukyasthariyeru, the tuka heads family. Heads of the family, Amma, Bakka, Ammel, mother and father. Okay, so we have this father and mother. Then who else we have? So we need family in this smallest form. Families, mother and father, and obviously you'll have kids and son, daughter. So this becomes a family with kids. Okay, this is the standard definition of the family. Have daughter and son. Okay, this all known. Okay, so how do you call mother in Tulu?
Amma.
Amma. You call mother as Amma. Amma basically, yeah, is mother. Is roughly translated into mom. Mom becomes Amma. That's how you call. And mother in its form is called Appe in Tulu. Appe. Okay? Appe. You don't call your mom as mother, give me milk or give me candy, right? So, or give me lunch or something. You call mom. So, its equivalent is Amma. Okay? And how do you call dad?
Appa.
Appa.
Okay. Yeah. Dad we call as Appa or Papa, or in some places sometimes they call us Anna also. So that's very rare. And
that is Anna, they call in Konkani actually, not usually in a Tulu.
Yeah, Tulu also, yes, they call in Kannada also, Konkani they call this, and Tulu also some places they call it. Okay, yeah. I think it's because of the joint family. People who call the elder person as Anna, maybe his brother. That's how it started, I guess. Okay. Anyway, Anna is brother. Okay. So
They also
you have
call the respect as Amir.
And.
Amir, they call Amir.
And. Father is Amme, with the respect is Ammir. Yeah. And also for mother is Appe, that's also called Appir, that's also there. We call it. Okay. Okay. Then daughter is called what? There's so many daughters here, right?
Magal.
Magal. Yes, Magal. And son?
Magawa.
Son Mage. Okay. Okay. So all girls, can you say Yan Magal? Magalu. Okay, all boys, can you say Yan Mage? Okay. Good. Okay, so we know 4 people in the family. Okay, that's Amma, Ammeru, Mage, Magal. Okay, this all we know. Okay, so generally we have a joint family, right? Here in the US, we have only mother, father, and then kids. There are very rare cases where the grandparents also live. But in India, it's mostly common to live in a single house as a joint family where you have grandparents also. Okay. So grandparents can be from 2 lineage, like you grandparents from your mother's side and grandparents from your father's side. Okay. Okay. So both are called grandparents, called a grandfather and grandmother. They're called same. That's dad's dad and dad's mom, and mom's dad and mom's mom. Okay. So also the kids, you have heads of family, then son, then when they have kids, then they become the babies or they become grandkids. Okay. And they're called as grandson, granddaughter, grandson, granddaughter. Okay. So now there is a 4 generation here. Grandparents, your parents, mom and dad, maybe yourself or your kids. So this becomes a 4 generation relation here. So how do you call? You all know, right? This is mom and dad, then you have daughter, son, and you have grandson, granddaughter, grandson, granddaughter, like that. So how do you call the grandson? How they're these granddaughter, grandkid? These are all as I said at the beginning. So we are centered around mom and dad. That's what you're saying here. Okay, so your granddaughter and grandson. Okay, and they're called great grandkids. Okay, so great grandkids, they are related to their 4th generation as great grandparents. Okay. Okay. Now we all know. I think there's so many lines here. So okay, don't get confused. So many things. You can refer this to later whenever you want to see. So just remember, mom, dad, grandfather, grandparents, then grandkids. Okay, grandson, granddaughter, or grandson. Okay. So how do you call we all saw that we all saw how to call dad. Dad is Appa, Papa. Mom is Amma. Daughter is Magal, Mage. And grandmother is called Ajji. Okay. So either from mother side or father side, they are called Ajji. Okay, and grandfather is called Ajir. Oh, sorry, I have a typo here, Shaban. Grandfather, okay. Grandfather is called Ajir. So this then grandparents, great grandparents with the great grandkids, they're called as Chilli or Thalli. The two words they're generally used. Okay. And also the grandson is called as Pulli. Okay. Grandkids are called Pulli. Like if it is a boy, then it calls An Pulli, or then it's a girl, then it's called Pon. Okay. So grandkids are Pulli. Okay. So basically you have mom and dad, then grandparents, then grandkids. So their relationship. So the relationships are Amma, Appa, Ajji, Ajjeru, then Chelli or Thalli, Pijji, Pijjer. Okay. So those are the 4 line of relationships. Okay. So here there's arrow marks to show how they are related. Okay. So, okay. Any of you have your grandparents here with you? Any of the kids? Do you have grandparents living with you or visiting you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Okay. Good. So do you like to be them here or
Yeah.
yeah? Okay. Okay. So I just wanted to show one picture here. So it's rare to see 5 generation. So we talked about 4 generation there, right? 4 generation living in a family. So it's rare to see 5 generation. This is one of the 5 generation family living in a house, and it's 5 generation family in one house, like 5 people, and there are 5 of them. Like there is 1 5 generation family, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all like 5 generation family living in one family. Okay, this was there until 4 years ago, and when my grandmother passed away, then this link was broken. This is my family 4 years ago. This link was there. 5 generation of 5 families. Okay, so a joint family still exists, and it's common in India. Okay. Okay, let's make some sentences and try to get the feeling of what we learned. Okay. There's a conversation here in English that who was my great grandfather? And that is your great grandfather was a commander. So can anybody translate this into Tulu?
Papa.
Okay. Okay, I have some helping words. Okay. Shreevalli, can you ask some kids we missed last time?
Yeah. If there is a Sia and I think he's telling answer.
Okay, there are words here like just if you want the pronunciation. This is Ir, Pijjer, Enna,
Panparas.
Papa. Okay, here there is one rare and new word you might have not used it. It's called Dalavai. Dalavai is commander. Okay.
Okay.
Air Panpara, Shonit Bakashia Panpara, Samaksh Panpara, Air Panpara.
Yeah, first you have to form a question in Tulu.
Okay, yan lepwe.
Okay.
Samaksh palle. Question kelle tulutu.
Dad, who was my great grandfather. Dad, you know, right?
Palle.
Enna. Pidger.
Yeah.
Ate.
One more word.
Nana one question kelle. Dade kenware.
Enna.
Pidger. Air.
Enna.
Okay. Yeah.
Pidger.
Oh, Jane Pande. Okay. 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 Then answer for that.
Air pan para answer. Ankush pan pare. Ankush Kotian.
Your is Irena. So your means
they know. They know.
They know that. Right?
Yeah. Akla un malder. Enchine homework malder. You were.
Okay. And must malder it.
And so they know. Ankush panle.
Irina Pijer Air Enna Dalavai Vai.
Dalavai. It's Dalavai. Okay.
Irena Pijer Dalavai. Ate.
Okay. Yeah. So that's it here. Okay. Here, Papa enna Pijer Yer. Irena Pijer Dalavai Adityer. Okay. Okay, he was because we're using Aditya. Okay, in a picture, Dalavai Aditya because he is he's not anymore a Dalavai. So that's right. Aditya, it is past tense. Okay?
Was, is and was. Alponji palle Bhaskar.
Yeah.
Is present tense. Was a past tense. Like that. Itter vaka Aditya.
Yeah, that's this is
it. Uller itter. That was.
Yeah, we'll cover that part grammar in the advanced class.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Let's take one more. I think we already just 30 minutes. Okay. In English, it says, yeah, Mom, what is the age of your dad? Then mom says, son, my dad's age is 60 years.
Anushka panpare? Anushka alva?
Okay, so we have the magic words here, okay?
Arha and Adi?
Amma, Papa, Amma, Irna, Papa, Praya.
Very good.
Eighth, yes, okay. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, now mom says, okay.
Yeah. Arha and Adi Panle, I can answer.
Son, okay.
Oh.
Son, we talked about that. We call son as Mage, right?
Yeah.
We saw that. Mage and Magal, right? Okay. Son is Mage. Maga.
Maga.
My
is
so
Yenna.
My is the word you have in every homework, every sentence kind of thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enna. Okay.
Appa.
Answer like
age enchamantuno tulutu nama last class lo tuditavu.
Shaya.
60 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಚಪನ್ ಪರ ತುಳುಟು ಅಜಿಪ
Elba? Yajipa was
yeah, very good. ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪಲ್ಲೆ
Okay.
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಪಲ್ಲೆ
Okay.
ಆದಿ ಪಲ್ಲೆ
Yeah.
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಆದಿ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಲ್ತ್ ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಆರ್ ಪನ್ಯೇನ್
Oh, wait, so you want me to say? Yes.
The question, yeah. First say the
you
question,
told,
yeah.
right?
Question
Okay,
palle.
arha palle, you already told that. Okay.
Amma Irena yet Varsha wait Jirana Ajip or Papana.
Yeah. Irna, Papa, Irena, Papana.
Jirana Papana yet Varsha would it be under?
Prior age.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. I answer Atharva palle kuda. Answer palle Atharva.
ಮಗೆ ಎನ್ನ ಪಪ್ಪನ ವರ್ಷ ಜಜ್ಜಿಗೆ
Ajipa, yeah. Ajipa was. Okay. Okay, so here it is. Amma, Irena, Pappana, Praya, 8. Okay. Maga, Enna, Pappana, Praya, Ajipa, was. Okay. 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 Now, that's the basic family, but now let's put everything in a table form so that you will like it's for easy like remembering. In the table you can just look at the table and refer and then talk. Okay, so when father is amme or ammer. Okay, can everybody read this one? Okay, first English, say father.
Father.
Or amme.
Father,
Amme. Okay. And mother.
Mother,
Amma.
Appe. Okay. Okay. When you say dad, you dad call it as okay. Mom. Amma. Or sometimes it's called as ma also. Okay. Okay. Son is
Mage.
daughter. Okay.
Grandfather, Ajay.
Grandmother.
Ajji.
Okay.
Grandson, Puli.
Okay. So here grandson is generally called as Pulli for both boy and girl. Okay. But if you want to distinguish, then you have to say An Pulli or the Pon Pulli. So okay.
Ponu Puli. Grandfather, Pidgear.
Okay. Grandmother, Pidgey or Pidgeeru with respect.
Grandson, Pili and Chili. Great granddaughter, Chili and Ponu Chili.
Yeah. Okay. Great granddaughter. Okay. Okay. Like, do you remember like hearing word pulli from your grandparents? Do they call it as pulli or any time did they call
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Who is that? Pulli. Sometimes, right? Okay. Yeah. When they call, they don't call you as pulli balamagan. They may not call like that. You may call with your pet name. Okay. Okay, but when they talk with others, they'll say they refer as pulli. Okay. Okay. Some more. Okay. Okay. Husband. You know who is husband?
Kandani.
Kandani, right? Kandani is
Buddhidi.
dad. Okay, dad is husband to mom. Okay, husband and wife. There, husband and wife are dad and mom. Okay, husband is called Kandani. Wife is called Budedi. Can you all say? Okay, husband Kandane.
Husband.
Okay, wife
Budedi.
Budedi. Brother Megge. Brother, because in Tulu we have like separate words. Like elder brother is Anna. It's also called as Palaye or Paraye sometimes. And younger brother is Megge.
It says elder brother.
Yeah. What is that?
It says elder brother.
Yeah. Anna is elder brother. Okay. Oh, R is missing. Oh, I think it was bored. It went somewhere. Okay, you're a good. You can be in spelling bee. Good catch. Thank you. Okay.
I'm leaving home early.
Okay. Then sister is Megdi.
Megdi.
Sister is Megdi Paldi. So sister can be used for both elder sister as younger sister as a Megdi Paldi. Okay. Elder sister is Akka Paldi. Yeah. Okay. Let's do one thing. I will start from the beginning. You just say after me. Okay. Okay. Just say after me. Okay. Husband Kandani. Wife Budedi. Okay. Brother Megge Palaye. Elder brother Anna Palaye. Okay. Younger brother Megge Tamme. Oh, see, there's either Megge or Tame. Both are correct. Okay, if you see two words there, they are same meaning. Okay, it's used. Both words are used. Okay. Then sister Megdi Paldi. Megdi Paldi. Okay. Then elder sister Akka Illa Paldi. Okay. Younger sister Megdi Tangadi. Okay. Okay. Siblings Thage Tangadi or also called as the siblings generally is a Thage Tangadi, and this is also used for like brother and sisters also. Okay, basically Thage Tangadi. Okay, then kids Jokulu. Parents Appemme. So basically father and mother. Okay. 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 Uncle. Okay. So in English, there's so many relatives. They're termed as uncle. There's no distinction between different relationships. Like even your father's elder brother, younger brother, you call uncle, right? And your mom's brother also you call as uncle. So, but in Tulu, we have a specific word for that. Okay. Father's elder brother is called Doddappa or Malla Ammeru. Okay. It's because father is Ammeru. So, Malla is big. So, generally, you call it as like older brother, you call, right, in English, right? Like that, this Malla in Tulu is big. Okay. It's like big brother. My dad's big brother, that is Malla Ammeru. Okay. Can you all say Doddappa? Mallamer. Okay.
Mallamer.
Mallamer. Okay. Father's younger brother is called Chikkappa or Kiddi or Chikka. Yeah, basically Chikka means small. Appa is dad, father, right? He's younger to father. That's the meaning, Chikkappa. And also in the short form, sometimes they call it Chikka. And they also call it as Tiddi, or it's called Tiddamir. Also is called as a Tiddamir. Okay. Okay. So
Bhaskar. I think it's the mother's side uncles. Mama.
Yeah. So yeah, it's that in the next one here. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's also called as uncle. That's when like this table has that. Okay. So father's elder sister. Okay. You can just listen to this. Okay. And if you need to, you can refer to this one. Okay. You just I'll tell you what it is. Okay. Father's elder sister is called Mallamami. It's Mami. Father's elder sister is called Mallamami. Father's younger sister is called Elyamami. Okay, and sometimes they call it as Kinyamami. Then sometimes they call it Doddamami, Anchala. They call like that also. Okay. Then mother's elder brother is called Thammale or the Mallamamu, or just called as a Mamu. So okay. Then mother's younger brother, we call him as an uncle, but he's also called as Thammale, but he's younger to mother. Then he's called as Elyamama or Mamu, and he's the maternal uncle. Okay. And mother's elder sister is called Doddamma, also called as Periyappe or Mallappe. Mother's younger sister is called Chikkamma, Elyyappe or Elyamma. Okay. So you generally call it as aunt, but you try to use these words whenever you meet your aunts and uncles. Okay. And some of the other main like relatives, nephew is called Aruate or Marmai, and niece is called Marmal, mother-in-law called as Mami, father-in-law called as Mama. So either like mom's mother-in-law or dad's mother-in-law, they're all same. They're called as the same name. But when you talk to the context, you can say that Ammana Mami, Vijanda Pappana Mami, Ammana Mama, Vijanda Pappana Mama, like that. You can refer. It's the same relationship, same word, but in the context of mother and father, you can use that. Okay. Son-in-law. So son-in-law is Marmai, daughter-in-law is Marmal, then wife's sister is called Maithidi, and brother is called Bave. So these are the main, but there's many other relationships and relatives in this, but these are the main things that you can use in your day-to-day discussion of the talk. Okay. 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 Can we have one more exercise?
Yes.
Okay. So here's a question. Mom, where does your mother-in-law live?
Atharvapalle.
Son, my mother-in-law lives in Udupi. Okay. So I think I should have
Atharva
some
question palle.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Shreevalli, one question can le. Panadu correct answer.
Question palle. Atharva palle. Question ge tulutu palle.
Amma won ippuno.
Irvoluppune. Okay.
Mami.
Oh, maga yenna mami udupi uppuni uppe.
Udupidu ippuno. Okay. Okay, good. Okay. Do you want to Bethel Trimal Panpare Shreevalli kuda
Darshi panle.
Amma irna mami wolo oppuni. Mageda mage
Maga.
magala enna mami udupida oppuni.
Very good. Ishan palle.
Okay.
Ishan. I'm here. Question palle.
Amma Irena Mami Olu Opunu.
Okay.
Maga Enna Mami Udupidu Uppunu.
Very good.
Okay.
Bhaskar,
Good.
other question better undana.
Which gender? So you're almost time there.
Attatti ittunda beta malplen original ken gane. No problem.
Okay. Okay. Some of the family events. You have 5 minutes. Let me finish this. Then we can have one more. I think. Okay.
Yeah.
Then we can go to that. Okay. Some of the main family events. Birthday. This is the one we always celebrate, and it's called Puttina Dina. Okay. Birthday. Puttina Dina. Okay. Then wedding. The marriage is called Madme or Madime. Okay. Marriage engagement called Nishchaya. Okay. Madme Nishchaya or simply Nishchaya is also generally used. Okay. Then baby shower, Bayake or Bayake. Okay. Then celebration of life. It's called as Bojja or Sau or Vaikunta Samara. Okay. Some other words also used based on the some people, different words. But these are the main words they are used. Okay. So
just to clarify, celebration of life is like a walk after death.
Yeah.
Not a happy occasion, because they don't want to call them called Bojja for a good function.
Yeah. So I just
make it clear.
Birth to end. I just mentioned it. Yeah, that's okay. I mentioned it's a event. So that word maybe I did not want to use different words, so I just put that in.
After death, the function rituals after death is called that.
Yeah.
Not any happy or other occasions.
Yeah. That's only at that time. Yeah. Okay. So these are the main events. Then the family related. Then there'll be other so many like festivals and all those things that I have not listed here. So we can have it in other classes. Okay. So yeah, that is end up today's class. So we will have homework. Okay. That's it. Okay.
Any questions?
Yeah. Do you have any questions, or we can have 1 or 2 questions surely in our this one.
Yeah. Ishan and Ethan and Ishan Pandirat and Ethan and Arhan.
Okay. Yeah. So let's have a question here. Let's frame a question here. Like, you have to tell your grandfather's name. Okay. You have to tell your grandfather. Okay. Yeah, you have to tell your grandfather's name, either mother side or father side, in a Tulu. Okay, yeah.
Palle.
How do you say?
Ethan Palle first ga. Arhan Palle.
Yenna Ajarna Padar Ajit Prasad.
Very good. Arhan Palle.
Yenna Ajarna Padar Ajit Prasad.
Okay. Iru Doddana Palle. Yenna Ajjina Doddana Pudar. Okay. Marcelo. Okay. Palle.
Yenna Ajjina Padar Ashalata.
Very good.
Very
Okay,
good.
next.
Okay.
Marcelo.
Yenna Agina de Blanca.
Very good.
Wow, cool. Very good. Very good.
Very good.
So, okay, any of you know your great grandmother's name? Or have you seen or have you met them? Nicola?
I know mine.
Okay, yeah, Panle, yeah.
Atharva.
Enna?
Kamala. Kamala.
Yeah, undu Panle. Sentence Panle. Enna?
Kamala.
Enna Pijina Pudar.
Very good.
I know mine.
Oh, okay, cool, yeah.
Enna Pijina Podara Bhagirathi.
Very good.
Bhagirathi. Oh, very good. Okay.
I know.
Sure, yeah.
Panle.
Enna Pidgey
Hmm.
Saraswati. Oh, Pidgina Pudar Saraswati and Bakka Janaki.
Very good.
Oh, awesome. Both mother side and father side. Amma nakadetla, papa nakad. Okay, yeah, yes.
Enna Pidgina Pudar Kamala.
Very good.
Awesome. Great. Okay.
Vivan and Varenya Kaidirtandale.
Palle. Palle.
Thank you. Yenna Pidgina Pudar Kalyani.
Kalyani. Very good.
Okay. Good.
Pidgina Pudar Subyash.
Very good.
Okay. So, yeah, there is a 4-generation link here. You know your grandparents, right? Great grandparents. Okay. Okay. Bete erna line chanla prashne unde? Questions unde? So just here last join the third. So next class we have one more class. After that we have presentation, a project work. Just around 1 to 2 minutes. The subject, any subject, the myth you have to talk. Okay, record and submit and then talk. Okay. So we will send the detail in the group. Okay. Okay, then we are almost done. So we can have Patanga. If you have any questions, we can talk. Then
you can ask any question, not only related to this class. You can ask questions about previous classes also, if you have any doubt. Okay.
Okay, Marcelo has something. Okay.
Yeah, Marcelo Palle. Marcelo.
Americadi onji tulukuta boditinde. Americadi onji tulukuta boditinde. Akhila America